Good morning, class. Today we will learn the ABC with animals.
Good morning, teacher.
A is for apple and ant.
I like apples. Apples are sweet.
And ants are very small. B is for bear and plow.
That's me. I am a bear.
Let's play with the ball. C is for cat and car.
I want to ride the car.
Meow! I am a cat.
Great job, everyone! Now let's sing the ABC song. D is for dog. E is for elephant.
E is for elephant. My trunk is very strong.
F is for fish. Fish live in water.
I swim with fish.
G is for grapes. G is for grapes. Grapes are tasty.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
H is for hat. I like wearing hats. That hat looks funny. Funny? I think it's quite dashing. Okay, it's pretty cool. I is for ice cream.
Yummy ice cream. Mmm, so good.
I want chocolate ice cream. J is for juice. Juice is healthy. Happy. K is for kite. Kites fly high.
Let's fly a kite.
Mango is my favorite fruit.
M is for mango. M is for mango. M is for mango.
Yummy ice cream. Mmm, so good. Yummy ice cream. Mmm, so good.
L is for lion. Roar, I am strong. M is for mango. M is for mango.
Mango is my favorite fruit.
N is for nest.
Birds live in nests. Yes. Nests are their safe homes.
Cool. I want to see one.
Me too.
Birds live in nests. O is for orange.
Oranges are juicy.
P is for panda. P is for panda.
Q is for queen. Queens wear crowns. R is for rabbit.
I love carrots.
S is for sun.
The sun gives us light.
T is for tiger. I have stripes.
U is for umbrella. And here's a tiger and its stripes.
U is for unicorn. Umbrellas help in rain.
V is for violin. Can you say that with me? Great job. V is for violin. V is for vulture.
I like music.
W is for watermelon. W is for wolf. Watermelon is sweet. So juicy. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Let's play music. Y is for yo-yo. Watch it go up and down. Yay for Y. Y is for yak. Yo-yo is a fun toy.
Watch it go up. Whee!
So much fun. Z is for zebra.
My stripes are black and white.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.